controlling the whip.
Yo, bro, you are scraping. You better relax. Let's get back mommy and daddy.
Y'all see where we at? We in New York right now, back in the Bronx. Today we got a little car show. You know I like the car shows, so I'm gonna go over there, vlog it, do what I do. About 27 minutes away. It's in Queens. Yo, look at that camber. Ay, ay, ay. I seen him on IG. You got the wide body TSX. It's windy. I'm gonna keep the car right here. Ain't no one here by right now, but let's see how much people come here after. Clean. Clean. You should have put it in the show. Damn, you can see right through it. Damn. This is clean. Am I gonna finesse the system today or no? I thought they said no two channels. They say that every time I see two channels. This is a nice color. I wonder if this is a wrap or paint. Nah, it look like paint. GR. Nah, this is details. Carbon fiber. This is clean. Yeah. This is a nice blue. Got the orange and pink duo. So yeah, he definitely be getting them shots. This is clean. How can you see? Oh yeah, I seen it on the flyer. I gotta look at this. Look at this. Oh, man. Nah, this is tough. I'm not even gonna lie. All this music. Keep wasting that gas. You're wasting the gas. TL. He almost got the same rims as me almost. I'm thinking about if I should do a camber like that in the back, or that's OD. It look nice. Oh, good. It's my son blowing Miata guy. See, this is his Miata right here. Oh, that New York roads, yo. But this is still a clean car. Oh, he put a steering wheel on today. Luigi be putting a boot. They looking like Chiquita. Y'all can see my car from all the way over here. Clearing. This is clean. It's a nice blue. He used to have a TL, now he got a Civic. Yeah, just got this. So look at that already. Let's make sure about a crack. I can't lie, orange cars be hitting different. The highlighters. This used to be that color. He went orange on them. Be airing out. She repping DB. Oh, what is this? He repping next. Yeah, I gotta take a picture of that one. controlling the whip? Alright. How do you drive? Yeah, this car was definitely trailer. Cause how are you driving that? Oh, let me go on this side. Yo! Mr. High Gloss Tire Shine himself. They all over. Ain't nothing really much down here. My TL brother. Okay, okay. Red top. The orange is shit different.
Damn, boy, you hitting the button already? Slow down. Why you pulling into me out? Get up in there. Yo. Calm down. It ain't two-step time. Yo, bro, you are scraping. Listen, get through there. Okay. Why y'all laying on the car right now? Perfect. I might be blowing me out of guy and y'all disrespecting the coach. It is not even time yet. Bully him. No, but real talk. Yo, slow it down. Don't hit the people. I said bully him. That's Pete. Say, yo, what up, Poopy? Chilling, you wanna come chill with me? Yo, give me the phone. Where the leash at? Oh, shit, what are you doing back there?
Oh.
Got my little mascot with me and all that. Oh, shoot! Come on through this. Don't run over the Popo now. Come on, Poppy. Poppy is too serious about his lips. Even she wanna back up. She's scared of you. Your owner back. Look at her like, no, he got a hostage back there. Somebody save me. Spin it around. Come back. Why you got them on the car? They don't even need to be in yet. They not playing right now. They have to take the steering wheel off. Look, the steering wheel is right here. Yo, what I said? Move. He made it. Let's go. Yo, I need you to go around and do your favors, bro. You ain't doing it today? Go let out that air of the tires. Is this your little cheating method or something? He coming for the win. Check this out. Taking that risk. Y'all see that? Hey, yo, why did you even come? Oh, my boy, you gotta leave. Understand you? Yo, with all that. You better relax. Mommy and daddy got that car. Wrong way. He never paid us nothing. Hold on, y'all. Let's get in your car, bro. Yo. Don't worry about that guy over there. I smell that clutch. Get back certified. I hate you. Okay, y'all got the blood or the crib?
I lost my hearing already. Two-step ain't even started.
Why you always gotta be so peaceful? You know what to do. If they don't move, we don't start. The seats is nice and butter soft.
Oh, not the Camry.
You ready?
Oh, he shooting. Always someone gotta ruin it. I gotta see the hood. I'm watching you. Got them all figured out. Not too bad of a show. It's just cold as f. Time for me to leave. Look at that view. He's definitely trying to blow my eardrum out. I've heard enough. I know that ride gonna be cold leaving. Nah, they're wild. Look at my Acura cousins. You got the TSX, and you got the TL. I'm freezing. Traffic. Welcome to New York. Going from Queens. We're in like the Bronx right now. I'm making my way to the Heights. I gotta go to the special deli that never disappoints me. So that's where we're going right now. Orders in traffic. I didn't record inside the deli because I was just too worried about getting my chopped cheese. I always get an onion here because I always want more. Ooh, we're getting foggy. Yeah, this bit about a buzz, yo.
1 hour later.
Made it there safe, no problems. And then made it back here safe and tired. It's been a long day. It was a good day, not too bad. The only thing that messed it up was the weather a little bit. It was a little windy. But overall, I had a great time. You know, I like to always go to the city. Catch the vibes.
Peek through the spot with a Uzi. This ain't no switch, but I'm making a move. Yo, Key, what we doing? Hop in the VR, reverse that shit. No Steve, been moving, ain't it a hand on